Hello to everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm called SchoolForAll, and on this YouTube channel we are answering past questions on computer science and ICT, both ordinary level like advanced level. On this video, I'm going to show how to install DevC++ and CodeBlock. So what is DevC++ and CodeBlock? So DevC++ and CodeBlock are software used to write C programming language. So we can still use this software to write C++ language, but you are supposed to know that ordinary level like advanced level, you are only writing C language. Is when you will move further in the university that you are going to study other programming language. Now, so we are going to start the installation, but before that, please clap for me. Okay, thank you very much. So we can start. So I'm going to move to my desktop. So I'm here, my desktop. So I'm going to choose one browser. So I'm having Microsoft, Mozilla. So it depends on what you're having in your computer. So just choose one. I'm going to choose Microsoft Edge. Okay, once I've chosen Microsoft Edge, I'm going to type google.com. Okay, now google.com. Let us start with the installation of DevC++. So I'm going to write DevC++. Okay, after the installation of DevC++, we are going to install CodeBlock. So here you are going to choose this first link. So it depends if inside your own computer this link is not at the first position. You can just try to move to look at this link, home DevC++ official website. So I'm going to click there. So I'm going to fall on this page. So on this page is very easy to install. You are going to see a button, download original DevC++. So I'm just going to click on that button. Okay, once I've clicked, the installation is going to start directly. So you are seeing here your download will start shortly. So if you look at the top right of my computer, you are going to see the installation. So you are going to wait for the installation to finish. So it can take around 1 or 2 minutes depending on the speed of your network. Okay, you are going to verify. You are going to see that the download is done. Okay, so you are going to click on open the file. So on my computer is in French, so your own it depends. So you just click there. So when you click, this will appear. Click on yes. I've clicked 2 times, so let me just close this one. Okay, so this will appear. So this message is just saying that if you are having DevC++ installed already on your computer, you are supposed to uninstall it before installing this. See, okay, so I'm going to move to next because I'm not having DevC++ on my computer. So we are seeing choose the language English. Okay, so here is the license. So I'm just going to move. License is just like the rule and regulation of this software. So I'm just going to say I agree. So here, just move to next. Don't change anything there. So here is the path. In fact, when I say the path is the location where your software will be installed. So just leave it by default like that and move next. We're going to wait at least, let us say 1 minute for the installation to finish. Do you want to install DevC++ for all users on this computer? Yes. So it's done. So click on finish. So it's going to launch. Okay. So here I'm going to just press OK. So here don't change anything, just press on next, and we're going to wait at least 30 seconds. Okay, you're going to press on okay. So after that, just wait for dev C++ to launch. So look here, you're going to see loading. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to close. So let me just increase this. Okay, so this is the interface of dev C++. So to start writing your code, just move at the top left corner of your page. Click on File, New source file. Okay, so this is exactly where you are writing all your code and executing it. So we are going to use this software to write our C programming code so that we are going to see how it is functioning. So all our video on C programming, I'm going to use dev C++ and code block so that you are seeing how it works, and by yourself you're going to make your choice. But the thing that the two software are the same. There is no difference even at the level of the interface. You are going to see that when you are going to install code block, please, the interface will be same. Okay, let us move to the installation of code block. So the process is the same. I'm going to come here, google.com. I'm going to write code block. Okay, so I'm going to choose this first link. Look very well. This link, in fact, is the website of code block. Okay, so I'm on this page. I'm going to move to the left of my page. I'm going to say download. So I'm going to click on download. So I'm going to close this. So here under download, if you look, you're going to see there are many options. So here you are going to choose download the binary release. You click. Now here you are seeing Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 10. In fact, these are the different version of Windows. So I'm using Windows 10, so I can click here. So here, now on this page, these are the different setup of code blocks. So you are going to choose the fourth one. This is the first, second, third, fourth. You are going to choose this one. Now, when you are choosing this one, there are two ways to install. Either you install using ForceHub or using sourceforge.net. So I'm going to choose ForceHub. You do same. So immediately the installation is going to start live for dev C++. So if you look at the top right corner, you're going to see the installation has started. So we are going to wait at least 1 minute depending on your network connection. So let us wait. Okay, the installation is done. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to close this tab. I'm going to it has disappeared. But normally here you click the same way we did for dev C++. You click and you open the file. So since it has disappeared, I'm going to move to download inside my computer. Download inside my computer. So since my computer is in French, I'm going to see téléchargement. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to check my code block. So this is my code block here. So I'm just going to run it. Okay. So yeah, yes. So just follow the step. So remember that is exactly like what we did with dev C++. So yeah, next. So this is the license. I agree. Yeah, this option, just leave it by default. Next. So this is the part where this software is stored. So just click on install. Now here the tag directory does already exist. Okay, to continue anyway. So just press yes and wait for the installation. So if you look very well, you are going to see that the steps are is same like for F C++. Let us wait some few minutes. Okay, I'm going to click enter. Yes, I'm just going to press. Okay, so I'm going to launch. We are just waiting. So while waiting, I can put some more music. Okay, so okay, just press OK. So this is the interface of code block. So if you look very well, you are going to see there is no high difference with FC++. So here to create a file, it's the same thing. You move to the top left corner, click on File, New, Empty File. The same procedure. So this is where you are writing all your code. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to write C programming code. So for those that are beginner, they have never did a class on C programming. So the next video will be very benefit for you. So thank you very much. So in the next video, we are going to choose one of these software and follow our class. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and share the videos to those you know it can help. So thank you very much. You can clap for me to close. Thank you.